Good morning, class 11. Welcome to your class. So, congratulations for your promotion. So, as you know, I'm your English teacher, Miss Nima, and I will be today suggesting you the books which you need in class 11. Okay, first book is Hornbill. Okay, this is an NCERT book, and other book is Snapshot, and one more you have a grammar book, that is all in one Arihant. Okay, set. If you have any problem, you can comment in the WhatsApp app. So as you know, 2020 is due to coronavirus. We cannot take physically class, okay, as in the classroom or in school. We have to take online class through internet, okay. Or so welcome to the class of 2020, class 11, and congratulations for promoting to class 11. So today I'll be starting with Hornbill. Okay, this is NCERT book. Okay, CBSE NCERT. You have Hornbill, Snapshot, and a grammar, which is grammar is all-in-one Arihant set. Okay, and let's start. The first chapter is from today's. I will be teaching from the book Hornbill. You can, if you haven't purchased the book, you purchase it as soon as possible. Okay, the school will contact you for books and copies, or you can also contact the school regarding books and copies. And so let's begin. This is chapter 1. Okay, and this is from the book Hornbill. Chapter 1, The Portrait of a Lady, Khushwant Singh. So, who is the writer of this chapter? Khushwant Singh, okay? And it is about a portrait of a lady. This lady is actually Khushwant Singh's grandmother, okay? And Khushwant Singh has written this story about his grandmother when, as a childhood, how he spent his days only with grandmother, and how he brought up by the traditional grandmother. Okay, and so let's begin. My grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for 20 years. See, wrinkles here means, in Hindi we call it jhuriya. Okay, and wrinkles here means the skin gets very much thin and lines, okay, which you usually see in your grandmother or grandfather, old people. Okay, that I know her. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had even had a husband, but that was hard to believe. My grandfather's portrait hung above the masterpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban and loose-fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest, and he looked at least 100 years old. He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren. As for my grandmother being young and pretty. So, here we come to know that the Khushwant Singh is thinking his grandmother is always been like this, old and wrinkled. Okay, but Khushwant Singh has heard from the people that once her grandmother was also was young and pretty and beautiful, but Kushwant Singh is finding hard to believe. Okay, the writer is finding hard to believe because the time he has been born and it's growing up, he has seen his grandmother old and wrinkled and had gray hair. Okay, it's hard to believe, and he has a grandfather as well, but he is dead. Okay, and his portrait is hung, his photo frame is hung on, okay, on the drawing room, which is sitting room. Okay, and in the portrait, what is the picture? He has wore a big turban, okay, and a loose fitting clothes. So what is his features? You can underline it. He had a long white beard, okay, which is covered his chest. Okay, and that portrait or a photo frame of Kushwant's grandfather looked as if 100 years old. So the writer is thinking his grandfather looked so old that it was hard to believe that he could have a wife and a son. Okay, his grandfather's portrait looked like he would have only lots and lots of grandchildren, and for his grandmother being young and pretty. Okay, so the thought was revolting. She often told us of the games she used to play as a child. Death seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part, and we treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us. So these are expressions, okay, that the thought was revolting. The thought was revolting means to think something beyond your imagination or your contemplation. Okay, so what she thought that her grandmother could not be young and pretty because he always looked up his he always saw his grandmother old. Okay, and what happened? So she often told us when Kushwant Singh was a child, his grandmother used to tell her childhood stories. Okay, how she used to play as a child, and seemed quite absurd. Absurd means unusual. Okay, or eccentric. Okay, so how seemed quite unusual and undignified on her part. Okay, and Kushwant Singh took as a stories, okay, or a fable, okay, that whatever grandmother used to tell. So till here, you just read, okay, whatever I have explained to you.